Session was very good. Traditionally, we follow so many steps in sales, but looking at these scientific steps, we are confident that these steps will definitely make success in our company. Knowing something is different, and knowing things so practically with Agarkar sir is different thing, and implementing is also different thing. And this training course taking care of all these three steps, that is the big thing about this course.
And on the very first day, what I understood from Mr. Sushil Agarkar, that sales is basically a science, which I understood on a very first session.
Your success is directly proportional to your selling skills. But this is not taught in school. हमको ये स्कूल में सिखाया नहीं जाता, और जब हमको एक्चुअली बेचने की ज़रूरत पड़ती है तब हमको एक बीमारी हो जाती है. We have a disease. What people will think or what people will say, अगर हम ये सारी बातें बोलते हैं तो सबसे बड़ा रोग क्या कहेंगे लोग, इसका एंटीबायोटिक है चेस. I could speak, but how I should connect to people was taught by sir. I take my opportunity to thank Chase for designing, defining and refining our communication skills and my oratory skills so that we can report to the public. We are looking forward to build systems and models with Chase which can be replicated, because it is always system which outlives human being and never the other way around.
काफ़ी कुछ नया सीखने के लिए मिला है हमें इसमें, जो कि हमें डेली पता रहता है कि ये चीज़ें करनी चाहिए, बट हम उसको इम्प्लीमेंट नहीं करते.
राइट.
तो इम्प्लीमेंट करना बहुत ज़रूरी है, और हमें डेली पता रहता है, जैसे कि हमें पता है, तो उसको इम्प्लीमेंट जैसे हम करेंगे तो वैसे रिजल्ट अपना दिखना स्टार्ट हो जाएगा.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
I didn't know anything about sales, even till the first time I attended the Chase, the first day of Chase, in fact. But yes, I've developed my skills thanks to the Chase team. Okay, thanks to the immense follow-ups. Okay, thank you very much for that. And I've also seen a lot of difference in the kind of skills that my team has today as well. If you compare a before and after part of it, I see a lot of confidence in my team when they go to meet the customers. I see that they have a lot of knowledge in terms of what to speak to the customer today. Okay, that's the most important takeaway I take from here. Today I'm not looking at the revenues. I'm just looking at building the right team with the right skills, so that probably 2 or 3 years down the line, it's a takeaway for me. Okay, so I'd like to thank the Chase team for that as well.
Actually, I am basically from the technical background, so sales was never interesting to me. And all the friends which I had, they were in sales. They were used to just tell me one thing: sales में देखो खाली बड़बड़ करना है, फिर बाकी का काम हो जाएगा. But after coming here, after learning from Chase, after learning from Sushil sir, I came to know that basically you need to hear more, you need to understand, you need to grasp, and then things work out eventually. Thank you so much. Thank you entire Chase team.
Before starting with Chase, the success ratio for our sales team was not more than 50%. And even if a member achieved his target on a particular month, he would falter in the next month. There was no consistency and predictability in a team member's performance. All this has entirely changed after Chase. Now the success ratio of the sales team is more than 80% in every month. Throughout these 9 months, Mr. Sushil and his entire team has always been ready to assist and help all the team members regarding any queries they had pertaining to any area of training. They were always available on call, and if they were busy, they made it a point to call back within a few hours. Our vision for New Home is to be the number 2 furnishing fabric brand in India in the next 5 years, with a top line of 100 crores. Before our association with Chase, this only seemed like a pipe dream. But after getting started with Chase, we are highly confident of achieving our goals. We thank the entire Chase team for being a great support to New Home in the last few months, and looking forward to a long-term partnership with them to realize our individual and organization dreams. Thank you team for your cooperation and hard work.